I love you, Sean.
Alright you guys, so I just left from my boy's shop, Delon and Tiago, also JR, he's always there too, but I just bought some new for the SI. My boys, they had a Civic there that they were parting out. It's like I think it's a 2010, I believe that it is. But they had a part in there, they had a couple parts in there that I wanted. So I've been paying close attention so that way, like when I got the car, I knew exactly what parts I was gonna get. So I already got it. A couple other parts that I want to buy off them is just, I'm not trying to go above my budget right now. I'm trying to like put money aside. Ooh, baby. It's carbon fiber. Just needs to get re-cleared, but I'm more than likely just gonna get it painted to match the color of the car. But your boy got the JDM tails. No games, bro. No games. But I'm about to go in the house now. But I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I got. And it's also the 09 facelift ones. So it has the octagon tail, not the circles. So you already know what it is. What is good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy PhilS2K. More car parts for the SI. As you guys can see in the back. If you don't know what that is, some of you may know what it is, but your boy got that JDM conversion for the Civic SI, bro. When I had got the SI, I noticed that my boy was parting out a Civic that one of my other homies from back in the day had. So we were all like a car club. We were called Top End. A lot of us aren't really in it anymore, so kind of just like branched off and did our own thing. So my boy Eric, he's the owner of the Civic. Well, he was the owner of the Civic. I guess he stopped driving the car. He sold it to my boys Tiago and Delon, and they parted the whole entire car out instead of like keeping it. I guess they said they would make more parting it out than they would selling it. Granted, so I saw that they were selling a JDM trunk. I was like, bro, I don't got my SI yet. I've been looking for one, but I'm gonna buy it just for the simple fact that I know I'm going to get one. And when I get it, I'm gonna slap it on there. Now, if you guys hear sniffing, that's my dog. My dog is in here with me. But now, we have two problems. One, the trunk is fading in the carbon. I guess the car's been sitting outside for a while. He hasn't driven a car in a long ass time. Two, the top portion of the trunk is painted. When I had mine, I actually did it the opposite. I did the bottom portion and I left the top portion carbon fiber with the duckbill. So I'm gonna try to sand it down today and see what I can get. Like I said, I'm not a painter. I don't paint cars. I don't know how to paint cars, but I'm just gonna go off of just what I think. All right, so I've been watching a couple videos on YouTube, and I'm gonna try at the paint first before I start on the carbon fiber, because I don't have, I think there's like a 300 grit paper, sandpaper, that I need to use or something like that. I gotta rewatch that video, but I don't have it yet. So I'm gonna use the sandpaper that I have right now to try and get this trunk, at least sand it somewhat on the paint, and see if we could get the carbon to show through again. But I want you guys to know that I'm not just gonna base the channel around the SI. It's not just gonna be SI content. But for right now, it's something new, it's something fresh for the channel. It seems like a lot of you guys are excited for this. I'm surprised a lot of you guys didn't notice the trunk in the rear in the car. I guess you may have thought it was like a carbon trunk or something, I don't know, but no one really spotted it. While I was editing, I'm like, damn, they're gonna know, but whatever. So I have the trunk here. So let's just try to get into it, see what we could do. I'm excited for this project. I'm really excited for it. You guys don't know, I have a lot coming in store. You guys gotta stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, please subscribe to the channel, okay? Your boy's aiming for 100K subscribers. I want to hit it before 2020. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to, but we working, bro, and I'm gonna keep working as hard as I can, and I want to entertain you guys while doing it. All right, so Let's get it. So as you guys can see, I'm pretty sure you saw it before, there was a lot of like cloudiness on the bottom of the trunk here in this section. As you guys can see now, it's a little bit wet, but I used a 400 grit. Let me just make sure I'm saying this right. Yeah, 400 grit sandpaper. Obviously as I wet sanded it, and you can see now it's gaining back its color again. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to re-clear it. That's something I'm gonna have to look into, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to re-clear it, and then should be back normal again. From all the videos that I watched, it didn't really seem like it was that much that had to go into it. But you know, like I said, I'm not a painter. This is not what I do for a living. So as you guys can see, the color is back, but I'm pretty sure once it dries up, it's probably gonna look like real like ashy-ish. Nice, so you can finally start seeing it. Feels real smooth. Nice, but we got to get rid of this blue. So I got to figure out what kind of sandpaper I need to start like at least getting close down to the carbon fiber. I'm in here slaving, bro. Oh my god. You guys can see it right here. Carbon is starting to show. Starting to get very, very light over there on this side. I'm slaving. I'm slaving. That's all it is, bro. Trying to get this trunk to look carbon again, but it's taking a long ass time. It is now 11:44. So I think I'm gonna call it a night. But I'm gonna give you guys a little close up. Once I do like a couple more sanding, and then I'm gonna just call it a night, 'cause your boy's beat. We get in there. My hands, bro. Blue. But we get in there. Only thing that sucks now is that I have to do the top of it. Just this alone right here was kicking my ass. The top of this is about to be annoying, bro. But we gonna get it done. We gonna get it done. Don't worry. I'm probably just gonna get a better way of sanding. I don't know. I gotta do some research. So probably when I'm on my lunch break tomorrow, I'm gonna figure out how I can get this off the carbon without damaging the carbon faster, because right now this is gonna be forever, and I only did this one strip here, and it's already taking me mad long to do. So I don't know. I'm probably not gonna go in the house and edit tonight. I really want to finish this, so I'm probably just gonna edit tomorrow. All right, guys. So I did a good amount of sanding. Now just got this little piece of corner here, but I ran out of water. But as you guys see, I still gotta do the whole back of this. Oh, but in the long run, it'll look good. What's good, gang? So back at the shed, I'm starting to work on now the top part of the trunk. Some of the carbon is starting to pull from here already. The face of the trunk is already sanded down, so there's no more blue showing. So right now I'm just wetting it up. And we're just gonna get the sanding. Okay guys, after about 3 days of sanding this trunk, is officially full carbon back again. So right now, back at the house, right? You guys see it, full carbon now. Hands, arms, everything just hurt and sore. But we're about to wash the carbon down now. I'm gonna clean it, and then after I clean it, well, first I'm probably gonna wet it, then wet sand it, then clean it, and then bring it back to clear coat it. That carbon looks so clean right now. Yo, this thing, smooth like butter. Smooth. Whew. And it's cold outside, so it's coming along great. Alright, so I just laid the first layer of clear coat at the bottom. You guys can see the difference from here to there, correct? Alright. Alright, so I just laid the first coat of gloss over the whole thing. As you guys can see, it's super shiny right now. I'm gonna go down for a little bit, let it sit for a while, then I'm gonna come back and do a second coat. And I'm gonna charge this camera because the camera's dying. But it's glossy, right? It looks good. You guys saw how ashy it was before. It actually came out really, really good, man. Right? You like it? Came out really good? I'm probably gonna do one more coat, but yo, I did a really good job. For me not to be a body guy, I definitely did a good job. You think so? Give me a paw. But yeah, I'm probably gonna lay one more coat just to give it just a little bit more gloss, and then we should be good. But you guys remember how it looked ashy, had like fading at the bottom. I sanded the whole entire blue paint off, clear coated it, and now you guys see that nice little gloss to it. The gloss, the clear coat set overnight, and it looks really, really good. So this would be the, you know, ideal finish. Obviously, it's not going to be that same real gloss as if I got it painted at like a body shop, but this will honestly do for the time being. Because like I said, your boy's on a budget. Your boy just got engaged, so just trying to take my time. And whatever you see right here, that's just a reflection of the wall. But yeah, I'm super proud of myself. So if you guys are too, give me a like. Alright, smash that like button for your boy.